前回のビデオでは past perfect tense について勉強しましたね。こんにちは皆さん、今 Vtuber です。past perfect tense もっと勉強しましょう。Okay, let's begin. Right now, we'll take a look at the structure. For affirmative is subject plus had plus verb 3. The movie had started when I arrived. Negative, subject plus had plus not plus verb 3. I hadn't bought my tickets in advance. Question, had plus subject plus verb 3. Had you seen the trailer before? WH question is WH word plus had plus subject plus verb 3. Why had you arrived so late? Now that we have learned a lot about past perfect tense, let's go to the quiz time. I'll give you 3 seconds. She, before I arrive. The answer is had left. She had left before I arrived. We were late because we the wrong bus. The answer is had taken. We were late because we had taken the wrong bus. You, your homework before the movie started? The answer is had done. Had you done your homework before the movie started? We, our phones at home, so we couldn't call anyone. The answer is had left. We had left our phones at home, so we couldn't call anyone. Now, the last question is the most difficult. He the concert because he his ticket. The answer is missed. Had lost. He missed the concert because he had lost his ticket. He lost his ticket first as the first action, and then that is why he missed the concert. So losing the tickets first makes this a past perfect tense. And missing the concert became the second action which you have to use past simple tense. Okay, that's all for today. Past perfect tense についてもっと学んでいただければ幸いです。次のビデオ楽しみにしてくださいね。質問があれば下にコメントしてください。返事します。今日は本当にありがとうございました。バイバイ。